here's interesting app called Roadie Driver, and you can, make some money while driving. So this is like a gig economy app, and let's just go through it together how you can get started and create an account. So earn cash for driving your way. Roadie is the easiest, most flexible way to make extra cash in the gig economy. Drivers earn $8, $60 on local gigs and even more long-haul deliveries. There's no interviews or vehicle requirements, never been needed to sign up for a new side hustle. Choose deliveries that fit your schedule. See pick up and drop off details before you offer. Deliver packages, not people. Enjoy direct deposit into your bank account. So yeah, of course you heard about maybe like BlaBlaCar, a lot of other services and apps where you traveled from from New York to LA, and you just on the road you can pick up some people. Here you just have packages, so it's a bit more easier maybe, and you don't need to deal with that much stress as you need to deal with additional passengers. So it's a bit easier, and then you can earn some cash still. So it's like you can sign up easily, just enter your first, last name, email, password, phone number, and then you can just get started.